Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Green color. Kids, the next one is yellow color. Now we use black color. Black color. The next one is yellow ochre color. Now we use blue color. Blue color. The last one is red color. Kids, now we start drawing numbers. First we use green color and now we draw the number of 1. Now we use green color. The number of 1. O-N-E, 1. We again use green color and the next one is 2. Kids, now we draw the number of 2. The next one is 3. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we use yellow color and draw the number of 4. Yellow color. The number of 4. We again use yellow color and the next one is 5. Now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 7. Kids, now we use black color and draw the number of 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The next one is 8. We again use black color and draw the number of 8. Now we draw 9. The number of 9. And the next one is 10 and now we use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Now we draw the number of 10. The next one is 11. Now we draw the number of 11. Kids, the next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw the number of 12. The next one is 13. Now we use blue color. Blue color. The number of 13. The next one is 14. Now we draw 14. We again use blue color and now we draw the number of 15. Kids, now we use red color and draw the number of 16. Red color. The next one is 17. Now we draw the number of 18. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 18. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.